Nothing screams classic perennial favorite quite like Rudbeckia. There are many different species of Rudbeckia, and in general, it's known as black-eyed Susan. They come in all different heights and textures. They like to be planted in full sun with rich, organic, well-drained soil that retains a little bit of moisture. So it would be good if you add an inch or two of mulch on top of your plants. Another added benefit of black-eyed Susan is that it does tend to self-seed. So if you plant it in one spot in your garden this year, you might be pleasantly surprised if you see it pop up in another next year.
If you're looking to plant Rudbeckia, we've got tons of selections, so I'm sure we have the right one for your garden. In front of me, it's brown-eyed Susan, or Rudbeckia triloba. This is one of our locally native black-eyed Susan species. This one grows about 4 to 5 feet tall and gets about 3 to 4 feet wide. This one also is a little bit more drought tolerant, so it can range in moist soils to dry soils, and it can even handle clay. Another one of the Rudbeckias here at Bountiful Gardens is Rudbeckia fulgida, or orange coneflower. This one is native throughout northern United States and is also native to New Jersey. It's also highly drought tolerant. Another one of our Rudbeckia species here at Bountiful Gardens is Rudbeckia subtomentosa, and it's known for its skinny, tubular-like petals. It's a United States native and tends to like moisture soils. If you're looking for a tall Rudbeckia, this one's the one for you. This one is called Rudbeckia maxima, or the great coneflower. This one can get up to a whopping 8 feet tall. Unlike the other black-eyed Susans, this one tends to bloom a little bit earlier, starting in early June, and will have the elongated cone, which is great for our migrating birds. Another one of our Rudbeckias here at Bountiful Gardens is Rudbeckia laciniata, or the Cutleaf Coneflower. This one is easily one of my favorites because of these beautiful blooms, how many pollinators it attracts, and all the bird species it hosts. This one can get up to a whopping 10 feet tall. It can grow in full sun, or it can grow in shade. It can grow in average symmetric soils, all the way to wet soils along stream banks and swamps. This one is native throughout all of New Jersey and native in the United States west until the Rocky Mountains.
Not only is Rudbeckia a great native perennial to add to the garden, it has a long history of being used medicinally as well. The root was commonly steeped in teas and used to treat infections and other internal ailments, and it was ground up and used to treat snake bites too.
Rudbeckia are a late summer blooming plant, and they are great as a cut flower. Also, as a fun fact, they're one of the first plants to start growing back after a wildfire.
With so many sizes and textures to choose from, there's sure to be a Rudbeckia that's perfect for your garden. If you like our content, make sure you like this video, leave us a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these amazing videos that we're making for you. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.